Thank you for watching my appliance repair blog. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, I would ask if you would subscribe to help support the effort of growing my channel. Recently, I've been asked questions of what did I think about the directions in which we're going with appliances and the manufacturing and the multiple problems we are having as consumers in repairs and parts access. I recently had a very in-depth conversation with a question and answer Q&A over this matter. And though this is just a visual overlay of an appliance being worked on for its Freon system, the conversation is the overlay in the background. And so please comment, leave your opinions and your views in the description, and definitely leave comments. I'm going to leave description links of the various organizations in which I'm talking about, which would be the Rights for Repair in the description. So please subscribe, like, and share, and tell me what you think of the conversation that was just had. James.
Hello, James. Ruth.
Hi,
How
Ruth.
are you doing today?
I think I'm doing well. What can I do for you?
Good. Well, right after you left Wednesday the 9th, I went to Home Depot and bought a laundry pair to replace my pair.
Yes.
And they can't deliver them until October 6th.
Come on!
And I picked out LG.
Yes.
Now I'm at DeWitt Appliance Liquidators.
Yes.
Because my friend told me I could get stuff cheaper there.
Yes.
And they're telling me that LG are not required to make parts available.
Walk the
so
plank.
they only sell American, like Whirlpool and GE.
Wow.
I wanted to get your opinion on the brand names.
Okay. Is this your landline or is this your cell phone?
My cell phone.
Okay. I'm gonna answer that
I'm
question.
I'm out at Airport Way in 122nd where they are right now.
Excellent. Not only am I gonna give you some information over the phone.
Awesome.
I'm gonna give you some information that you can actually share with them and the direction that Appliance is going in. LG products have been under fire for a very long time. I think that their hold on, this doggone phone is ringing off the hook. I think that their products is the products that we are going to have to buy, and so distinguishing if they are a good brand at this time is kind of too late.
Come on!
Because there are four major manufacturers, and those four major manufacturers, they are determining what we are going to be purchasing for our future appliances. The backlash that LG is receiving at this time is from 4 to 5 years ago. Since then, they have made their parts more accessible, and they have made their liability on their brand, on the type of appliance that you buy. They are making steps to regain our confidence based off of what we're used to, based off of consumer reports. So I think the direction that appliances are going in is not bad.
Yippee!
The warranty will still have to stand. They'll still have to honor the warranty of the appliance. There's a lot of information out on YouTube, which I just text you the most important information, I think, as far as YouTube in terms of the conversation of of appliances and name brands. It is true, they don't have to care as much as they used to. Not when Sears was around. Now that the major distributor of the name brand is no longer around, that's where the fear comes in at. Who are going to be our next manufacturer in warranty provider? And they haven't come up with whom that's going to be yet. And so the company in which you're buying your appliances from, such as DeWitt and Home Depot and Lowe's, sure, they're going to have to honor the manufacturer's warranty if there's a problem with that product. And until these products are sold, we're not going to know which ones are going to have the class lawsuit actions on them. And so the maintenance plans, I think even with the maintenance plan, Sears was predominantly the provider for the maintenance plan. Even these new maintenance plans, they are also at question right now. And so I think the initial purchase is okay, no matter what name brand you buy, because there's only 4 major manufacturers that make these products. And
is that Whirlpool, GE, LG, and Samsung?
Yes.
Okay.
They are all sourced overseas. And
even the Whirlpool and GE?
Oh yes, Whirlpool is going through several backlashes right now, and those backlashes, we don't hear much about them because they do a very good job of filtering it from the states.
Come on!
But they're going through a lot of backlash right now. But the thing about the name is the name is a trademark rights, and what they'll do is they'll purchase the trademark rights to go onto a engineering design that could be designed of LG or Samsung. And basically, there's the 4 major manufacturers, and everyone will purchase the trademark rights to put their name on that design. So there's not much we can do, but I do believe it's getting better. They are coming out overseas. They are coming out with rights to repair, so that we don't have to be in a position where we have no control of buying an defective item and being stuck with it. And so the control of the manufacturers is what they're fighting, and it will be overseas. The year 2021, there is a movement in Sweden called the Rights of Repair, and once that movement is in their laws and on their books, I'm sure it's going to spread, because here in the States we seem to copy everyone else. Yippee! And so the year 2021 is when their law is going to pass, and there's a lot of money to be made. And so the corporations that have gone overseas and cut the labor force down in state, they're going to find ways in which the rights of repair will find its way here, and that means that the consumer will have more control of calling outside contractors to do the repairs versus the manufacturers, because Sears was the source of major manufacturers' repairs. Now that it's gone, there is not a major source no longer, and so there's a fear factor.
There's a vacuum.
Yes, it's an open space to be filled, and it will be filled. So I believe the appliances that you're looking at, based off of your wants, your likes, and your needs, I think you're okay with that purchase.
The one that I've already made, the LGs.
Yes, even though there is a class lawsuit for the refrigerators, but that's only in California, in which they're going to try getting it to be nationwide and to make this matter right. LG as a company or as a corporation, if you go off of precedents of the refrigerator, they are extending, like some of their refrigerators had bad compressors, and they are aware of it, and they have extended repairs to 5-year-old refrigerators to make it right. So if they went in that direction for their refrigerators, and I'm sure they're going to do the same for their other products to so that we can have more equity in their name. And so the backlash is not so bad as it used to be. So I think you're safe with that name. Fortunately, all the engineering designs, most of these appliances that we're purchasing with the traditional names and traditional major name brands, they're LG and Samsung designs anyway.
Right. Okay. Wow, you're so knowledgeable, James. Question.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I buy an extended warranty?
Now that is the biggest question. Now there's money.
Can I get an extended warranty from you?
I don't think I should have been in that position, but I chose to keep it simple. DeWitt's would offer you, but the extended warranty is only going to be good after that year. I would search
the first year.
Yes, ma'am. I would search to see if anyone is available to put an extended warranty with coming up to the end of that manufacturer's warranty. Then it'll be worth the money, because the way this is going, it's either a major failure of electronic, or it's a major.
But you'd know right away.
Yes, ma'am.
You'd know right away.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. You'll know within that first year. So me personally, I never buy a extended warranty on anything I purchase, because I still believe in, quality of goods.
I hate insurance as well. I hate insurance and warranties.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I agree with you.
Something that is never intended to be used.
Right. It's just money down the drain, usually.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Okay. Well, and you know what's interesting, with all the, figuring out the dollar difference, it's less than $100 difference.
And the maintenance plan?
No. For the cost of the product and the installation and delivery and all the little pieces.
Oh, that's not bad. That's really good. And if they can.
So yeah, it's like $83 difference with Home Depot. The only it's kind of a problem because they can't deliver them until October 6th. I had to wait from September 9th to October 6th to get delivery, and that was only in white. Okay. But hey, the bonus is my husband's replacing the flooring in there.
Oh, okay. So it fits what you have going on in your life. So it'll be perfect.
Exactly. So I'm going to walk away from DeWitt's and keep my Home Depot LGs. And gosh, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me today, welcome. James. And if you want to give me some of your cards, I certainly want to. I will give people your name when they have a problem.
Okay, I'll text you my everything is done electronically now, so I'll text you my electronic card. And
clever guy.
And so you also have some ammunition if they ever decide to go bad or belly up. You have ammunition to fight with the YouTube references that I also sent to you.
Okay, excellent. Well, thank you again. I really appreciate you.
You're welcome. Thank you for your call.
Okay, take care. Have a good day.
Will do.
Bye-bye.
So, as I discussed earlier, please do not hesitate to leave a comment of what you think about this matter. Once again, thank you. Subscribe, like, and share.